Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm super excited to show you guys a new digital I added to my Etsy shop, and these are some fun things that I've made with you guys on camera, and I will post the video at the end screen so you guys can come check them out. And this is me. I've tea dyed the fabric, and I did a tea dye bundle, and I'll put that in the video at the end screen too to show you guys. And it's a cool tea dye bundle that I do, and it makes the fabrics look really neat. And what I did is I made a collage with them and then did a fun digital with some pressed flowers. These are real pressed flowers that I put onto the scanner on my printer scanner, and I scanned them all in, and so when you get a print off, you'll have the fun pressed flowers in the background, and yeah, just some different hand stitched things that I've done, and a little sketch bird that I did. So this is all just collaged on top and printed out as a digital. So this is the one of them, and there should be four. There's four of them. So we got that one. And then we got this one. It's got Cherish on it. I think it's cute. And a little poem here. And Family. So if you could see, they turned out really cool. I mean, it just looks so real, like you could touch it. It's like you can touch it. And it looks like fabric. It's just so much fun. And this is Imagine. So yeah, so these are all that are in my Etsy shop, and I will make sure to put the link down below so you guys come check them out. And yeah, if you guys could come support me, even if you don't come and purchase, if you come and just hit the heart button for me and favorite my shop and favorite the listing and stuff, that really helps me and gets me out there. So today I just want to show you guys some fun things we could do here. I want to make a envelope. So that's the back of it. And I do this on matte photo paper is what it is. It's matte photo copy paper. And I will make sure to put that link down below for my Amazon's links, and you can come check them out. I'm just going to fold it into a fun envelope. Just size it where you want them. Okay, and then you get your bone folder. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out all your craft supplies. Well, I can't find my bone folder, so scissors will do in a pinch. I know it's here buried somewhere. Okay, so all I'm doing is just folding it like this, so just see where you want it. And then I'm just going to do a fun little fold over. So, I mean, there's so many options you could do with digitals, you know, with the print-offs and stuff. I mean, you could just keep it as you could do a cover with it. You could use it as a master board and cut it up and do some cool journaling cards with it. Yeah, just, I mean, there's definitely endless possibilities. I had so much fun making it. Okay. Yeah, let's get my little handy cutter here. And just see how big you want your envelope. And definitely keep that. I think that would make a fun just a little envelope by itself. So I might do something with that. So let's see. So there we go. And then I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine. But first of all, I just refilled my vintage photo, and I might have put too much. So this could be fun here. Do a little inking. I like inking the folds. I think it gives it a little bit of character. All right. So that's what we got so far. And I'm going to do the same to these two. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I think these turned out really cute. And I went ahead and did a little hole punch just with my little 1-inch puncher, I think it is. So I did that on both. And then I kept this one like this because I'm going to do a belly band. I think I'll make that a belly band, which will be fun. So this is perfect for people that love material and the look of it, but really don't like working with it, you know, and the flimsiness and stuff of it. So this is really nice to do on paper. It's sturdy, especially when you take it and sew it. And yeah, so it's great. I mean, it's great for people that love material too and love working with it, but it's just fun. It's got the cool dyed, you know, fabrics and then the pressed flowers and stuff. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you get to see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.